Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is what's jumping in my pot today. Lemon Poppy Seed Muffin. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients: eggs, lemon, poppy seeds, granulated sugar, unsalted butter, buttermilk, powdered sugar, and I have here self-rising flour. Now let's make the first part of the lemon poppy seed muffin. We're going to take the self-rising flour and put it in this bowl here. Then we're going to add the granulated sugar to the bowl. All the dry ingredients we're going to add first, and the poppy seeds. Then we're going to take a whisk and whisk all of this up. Make sure everything is incorporated together. Now we're going to mix up the wet ingredients. I have the eggs here, and I'm whipping them up. And we're going to add it to the bowl here. And we're going to add the buttery lemon juice. Now we're going to add the buttermilk. And we're going to mix this up. Now I'm adding the lemon zest to it.
How long would you think this takes to make?
About a half an hour, and it takes 18 to 22 minutes to bake.
Is this a budget-friendly recipe or not?
Yes, it is. Because what makes it a budget-friendly recipe is that you're using self-rising flour instead of all-purpose flour. With all-purpose flour, you have to buy baking powder, salt, put in it. But with self-rising flour, it comes with all that in it. And also, if you don't have buttermilk, you can buy regular milk, because most people have regular whole milk in the refrigerator, and white vinegar. You take whole milk, you add white vinegar to the whole milk, and set it aside for about 5 to 10 minutes, or lemon juice, and that makes buttermilk. Now we're going to add the wet ingredients to the dry. Gonna mix this up.
This is a good breakfast, lunch, or dessert.
Yeah, when the glaze on it, when you put the lemon glaze on it, it turns into a nice dessert.
Also want to make sure y'all are liking and subscribing to videos. There's a lot of you that are not subscribed but are watching the videos. Make sure you like and subscribe. And also, make sure to remember the ingredients will be in the description box below. I see you started adding the muffin mix to the muffin pan.
Yes, I did. And I've already prepared the muffin pan also. I've oiled it and I've put some flour in it. That is because so it wouldn't stick when I'm taking the muffins out. It'll come out easy.
You can smell the lemon in the muffin mix.
Yes, I smell it. It smells delicious. I love lemon. Everything baked with lemon in it. I love lemon cake, lemon pound cake, lemon butt coconut cake. Those are my favorite. I make a lemon filling and I add it to the cake.
Leave it up to you. You would just make every dessert lemon.
Well, yeah, because I love lemon cake and lemon meringue pie, all of it. Now I filled the muffin pans totally, And now I'm going to pop it in the oven and let it bake for between 18 and 22 minutes. And I have my oven set to 360 degrees. Now, while the lemon poppy seed muffins are baking in the oven, let's make the lemon glaze. Only 2 ingredients we need: powdered sugar and lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. And we mix this up. If it's a little too thick, we add some more lemon juice. See? Now, this is the right consistency. Now we're going to put the glaze on the muffins.
Wow, that looks really good.
There you have it, lemon poppy seed muffins. Enjoy. Well, let's just cut one and see how the middle came out. See? Nice and moist. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, X, and Facebook. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye. Hit that like button.